if you listen to yourself, if you go deep within yourself, you will see there is something natural which belongs to you, something which is untouched, which is not manipulated, which is not accessible to any conditions. That's your true nature. Whenever you talk about God or the divine, you are talking about yourself. Even when you talk about enlightenment, you are talking about yourself. The connection between you and your true nature. How can I reclaim myself? How can I get contact with myself? This is your search. This is your inner longingness. Find the language which is closer to you. Approach yourself as a whole being, as sacred, and you will find that something is happening within you. Something which cannot be taken away by death. Something infinite. Something so vast. The cosmic divine. That's you.